Today we are here at Chote's to buy a fidget mystery box. This shop is located at CF Martville Mall, which is in Markham.
3502.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Qazi to Funland. So today I went to the mall and bought this 21 fidget mystery box. So let's get started. So first let's remove the tape. So this is how the package looks. So now let's open it. Oh, I got a giant pocket. And I got this, I think it's a fidget spinner. Oh, I got this peanuts. And this, oh, I got one stretchy noodle, two stretchy noodle, three stretchy noodle, and I also got this ball, and I also got this infinity cube. And this stretchy worm. Oh, and I also got these. And a pocket. And I also got this globe. And this marble fidget. And I got this. And this, I think this is a fidget spinner. And I also got this. And the final last two things. This and this. That is like the ring. And that's it. Now let's decorate it. This is a poppet, a fidget spinner, two spiky balls, a globe, and this is a cube, another cube, infinity cube, three stretchy noodles, a marble game, and a stretchy unicorn, and a pop tool, and a nut, and another fidget spinner, and a ball, and this. And the keychain is for this. And ring, stretchy ring. Now let's unwrap everything. So first we're gonna unwrap a poppet. Now let's see, let's unbox this fidget spinner. Now let's unbox this cube. Oh, I just realized that we have to try to make this marble in this hole. It's a really trick game. And now let's unbox this. And this is the infinity cube. And guys, I also have another one of this. I have two of these infinity cubes. Okay, now let's see. Let's unbox some. Let's unbox this. So this we can do a lot of things with it. So first we can join this and make like a bracelet. And now let's see. let's like unwrap. Let's unwrap this. Oh, inside of this, there's like these pink things. And this is like a keychain. Yeah, this is a keychain. Now let's unbox this. So this is like a ball. It's like a stress ball. And now the final thing, this fidget spin. There's one more fidget spinner. So this is like a pop-it fidget spinner. And with the fidget spinner, it also came with this. That we can like, I think we put this over here. And now we can also hold it. And now let's try all the fidgets. Oh, this is really stretchy. Now let's try the red one. And let's try the blue and the green. And now let's try this. We can make this as a game, and we can also remove the marble. But I don't know how to remove it. Now let's use this. And now let's play with this. And with this globe we can find countries. So let's find Qatar. I can't seem to find Qatar because this is way too small. Yeah, I can't find it. So now let's play with this fidget spinner. And with this fidget spinner, I think these are some balls. Now let's play this game and try to solve it. Yes, I made it in. Oh, there's even some more levels of it. Now let's play with this pop tube. Now let's play with this. So look, there's even some eyes on these things. There's even eyes on the peanuts. I hope you like my video. Like, subscribe, and share my video. Bye.